Assalamualaikum and welcome to the 17th video of number systems. We are discussing the last main of this exercise and then we'll move on to another new topic in the same chapter after we complete this. The heading is classify as rational or irrational numbers. So there are 5 questions and I should tell them whether they are rational numbers or irrational numbers along with the reasons. Now first of all, the first number is root 23. So what do you think, this is rational or irrational? Okay. So how to understand when we have root whether it is a rational number or irrational number? The rule is very simple. Let us recall square numbers. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, etc. Now if I have a square number, inside the root, then it becomes rational. If I have a number that is not a square number, then it becomes irrational. Example, 5 square, I get 25. Okay. So if I get 25 here, that means it is rational. If I get a square number, it is rational. If I don't get a square number, it is irrational. So instead of 23, if I would have got 25 here, it means it would have become rational. But now because it is 23, so I have 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. I don't have 23 anywhere in this list. That means it is not a square number and that's why it will be irrational. Irrational number. Understood why? So whenever you have a number with root and you are supposed to identify whether it is a rational number or irrational number, very simple. Inside the square root, if the number is a square number like this, then it is a rational number. But if it is a non-square number or not a square number, then it becomes an irrational number. 225. 225 will be a rational number. Why it will be a rational number? Because if you check 15 square, you will get 225. That means 15 into 15 is 225 and 225 is a square number, that's why it will become a rational number. 0.3796. Now first of all, is it terminating or non-terminating? This is terminating because there are no dots after this. So we understand that the division is stopping and the remainder has become 0. So terminating decimal expansions are all examples of rational. So we have learned 3 types: terminating, non-terminating recurring, non-terminating, non-recurring. Terminating means division stops, remainder becomes 0 like this. It's not continuing, no dots. That is an example of rational. Terminating, non-terminating and recurring. Non-terminating means division will not stop, but the digits will keep on repeating again and again. If you see this example, this is non-terminating because there are dots after this and the digits are getting repeated. 478, 478 is getting repeated, and that is also an example of rational numbers. So terminating is an example of rational. Non-terminating but recurring, that is also an example of rational. Non-terminating, non-recurring, it means division is not stopping and digits are also not repeating themselves. That will be an example of irrational number like the last one. So I brought here, it means it is non-terminating but the digits are also not repeating. 1 0, 1 0 0. So it is 1 0, this is 1 0 0, this is 1 0 0 0. It means all the digits are different. Number of zeros are not same every time. It means it is non-recurring. The digits are not repeating themselves and the division is continuing again and again. That's why this is an example of irrational number. So I hope you have understood how to classify the given numbers as rational and irrational. So after we have done this, let us move on to the next topic. It is called as visualizing by successive magnification. What is visualizing by successive magnification? If you have seen a lens, lens that we hold to see any objects in larger picture, so it will be using that concept. We'll visualize, we'll keep on expanding a number line until we get the given number that they have asked in question. I'll show you one example and then I would want you to try one on your own. So I am supposed to visualize 2.665 on the number line. I should show where 2.665 will come on the number line. So what I will do, I'll first draw a regular number line starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, correct? Now 2.6 will come after 2, right? And it will come before 3. So 2.6 is between 2 and 3. So I should select a number that is, 2.6 comes between which two numbers? Definitely it will not come between 1 and 2. So 2.6 means after 2 only it will come, but it will end before 3. So I should select 2 and 3. That means 2, I will go with first two digits. 2.6 comes between 2 and 3. So I will have to put a lens and I should expand 2 and 3. How to expand 2 and 3? I will draw one more line and my starting number will be 2, ending number will be 3. So what will come between 2 and 3? 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and then 3.0. So 2.6 I have got here. So next after 2.6 I should get 2.66. So 2.66 will come between 2.6 and 2.7. So I should select 2.6 and 2.7 and expand this one. This procedure is called as successive magnification, means making it bigger. So the numbers that I have selected now, 2.6 will be starting and 2.7 will be ending. And what should come between this? 2.61, 2.62, 2.63, 2.64, 2.65, 2.67, 66, 2.67, 2.68, 2.69, 2.70, this number. Okay, so 2.66 also I got here, but I should get up to 2.665. So I will select 2.66 and I will select a number that is next to that only. Whatever number I want, that number and the next one I should always select. So I draw next number line. So 2.66 will be starting and 2.67 will be ending. So what will come between this? 2.661, 2.662, 2.663, 2.664, 2.665, 2.666, 2.667, 2.668, 2.669, and what I should get in the answer? 2.665. Here I have 2.665, so this is going to be my final answer. So I took a number line, I took from 2, I expanded up to 3, I took from 2.6 and I expanded up to 2.7, I took from 2.66 and I expanded up to 2.67, and finally I got the answer as 2.665, and this is called as successive magnification, visualizing the given number by using successive magnification. I hope you have understood, and it's an interesting topic. This is how you should do it, and I will give you some questions as homework. Please try to do them and submit it on the Google Classroom app. So your homework questions are 3.765 and second one will be 4.26 bar. 4.26 bar, how to represent? 4.2626. Just go up to two numbers because bar means it will get repeated. So you can just show two more values. Okay, so you'll have to show this one and this one on the number line by using successive magnification. We'll start a new topic in the next class. Until then, please revise and ask if there are any doubts.